Okay, everybody, we're getting set up for the parade. Thank you for joining Bucket's Garage on YouTube.com. Now, we're getting set up and we're waiting for the parade to start. We got the cans and Honest Scales Recycling. That's who I'll be pulling for today. He's a great guy, an Amish guy, and they do Honest Scales Recycling in Middlefield, Ohio. Can't wait. I'm so excited. First parade I'm going to be in. Wish I wasn't driving. I ride in here. Anyway, I got to drive. But still, that's exciting. Fire it up! Fire it up! Fire it up! Woo! Yeah! Oh, we're sitting here waiting for the parade. I'm sitting on top of my truck. On the top of some smelly cans. Parade will be starting here at 3 o'clock. Yeah, that'd be cool to sit up here, man. I know I can. We're all lining up for the parade. We got some big trucks here today for the parade. I'm like the little truck in the middle of everybody here. Parade's going, and we're getting ready to go now. All right, here we go. Time for the fun. We're almost in the square. Oh man, I'm excited. Ready to go. Yeah. Look who's having a good time.
No, not all. Hey, troublemaker.
Creating a better, cleaner environment by recycling scrap metal for our community and beyond. That is a monstrous thing of crushed cans. Look at all the twisted teas. Somebody had a heck of a party.
800 pounds.
21 to 25,000 cans sitting there crushed together. It's awesome.
Holy buckets of a lot of people here today. Woo! We're having a lot of fun in this parade. I hope you guys are up here. Maybe you might see yourself in the video. Check it out. I gotta keep my eyes on the road. I don't want to hit somebody. Safety first. Oh yeah.
What are you supposed to be? Some kind of heavy metal guy?
Sometimes.
Stop raining once.
Can't rain all the time.
Buckets?